In a land far, far away, in a galaxy filled with stars, lived two brave brothers named Wedge and Luke. They were known as the Antilles brothers, warriors of the rebellion, fighting against the evil empire. Wedge, the older brother, was a skilled pilot, flying X-wings with grace and precision. Luke, the younger brother, was a powerful Jedi Knight, using the Force to protect the galaxy. One day, the Empire captured Princess Leia, a dear friend of the Antilles brothers. Wedge and Luke were heartbroken. They knew they had to rescue her. "Luke," said Wedge, "we must save Leia. We can't stand by and do nothing." "I'm with you, Wedge," said Luke, his eyes burning with determination. "We'll use the Force and our skills to sneak into the Imperial base." The brothers prepared for their mission, training hard every day. They knew it wouldn't be easy, but they were ready to face any danger. Finally, the day of the rescue arrived. They flew their X-wings towards the Imperial base, their hearts pounding with excitement and fear. As they entered the base, they navigated through lasers and blaster fire, their skills shining like beacons in the dark. They found Leia, locked away in a high-security cell. Using the Force, Luke opened the cell door, and the three of them ran through the base, dodging Imperial soldiers. They flew back to their X-wings, escaping just as the base exploded behind them. Back on their ship, they celebrated their victory. Leia hugged the Antilles brothers, tears of joy streaming down her face. "Thank you, Wedge and Luke," she said, her voice filled with gratitude. "You two are truly heroes." The brothers smiled, knowing they had saved a friend and fought for a cause they believed in. They were the Antilles brothers, warriors of the rebellion, and they would always stand up for justice. As they flew back to their base, they looked up at the stars, ready for their next adventure. For they were the Antilles brothers, and they would always protect the galaxy.